I'm Tina Kalma. This is my husband, Matt. We own Southern Directional. We're based out of Alabaster, Alabama.
We have been partners with Vermeer for 20 years. Vermeer Southeast has just been a really team member for us, just an extension of our business. It's like they're a part of our business. They've never not been there for it. When you have a service department that takes care of you as good as y'all does, Vermeer Southeast, it just takes a load off of you. It's a load knowing that you can trust who's working on your stuff.
They've worked hand in hand with our mechanics, helping us to diagnose certain things, doing things out in the field, and just even giving some advice about maintenance, about wear parts. They've been very helpful, very knowledgeable, and it's really helped us, kind of enhance our service department.
They all have the same integrity. They all have the same drive. They're all excited to come out and see you, to be part of what you're doing and to help.
At the end of the day, it's all about people. The legacy we leave behind is going to be about people, not about dollars. And we try to treat our people that way, and we see that you guys do. Vermeer Southeast has a great team, and it's a testament to how you treat people, not just your team, but our team.
I wouldn't have it any other way. I wouldn't want to do business with anybody.